Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I not have grammar and SST.
Was it short?
Yes, ma'am, I am not grammar.
Okay, beta, it will be available in stores in a week's time. Don't worry. The books that are going short will be available very soon. Okay. Now for other students, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a screen with you. Fine. Now you have to draw that picture in your social studies copies. After this difficult words, on the next page, on the blank page, you have to draw these things. Now, what is that thing? These are the tools which were used by ancient people. The tools that were used by ancient people. Now, let me share the screen.
Ma'am, on this page.
Yes, on the blank page. On the blank page, you're going to draw it. Now this year in your social studies copy, we are going to do a lot of drawing work. You have to draw different diagrams. In each chapter, I'll make you draw something or the other. So write down the chapter name. And then the heading will be tools used by ancient people. Put today's date, and then again you'll have to share this work on the class group.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, difficult word blank page में नाम बनाना है.
Of course, बेटा लाइनों वाले पेज पे थोड़ा ड्राइंग करते हैं. ड्राइंग तो ब्लैंक पेज पे ही करते हैं ना. लाइंस वाले पे what do we do? We write it. We write on ruled page, and on blank page we draw. Yes.
Ma'am, I am not purchasing the SST book.
I know, beta. That is why I have shared this screen with you and given you this work to do. I know many of you are without books, so we are not doing anything from the book right now.
Ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send me the difficult words?
Beta, the difficult words, check on your class group, WhatsApp group. Rishabh has already sent.
Ma'am, ये पूरी टाइम पर आना.
आपने difficult words कर ली स्तुति खंडेलवाल?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now you have to make all these tools. These are different tools that people used to use for their daily needs, for their modifications, for their hunting purposes.
Ma'am, what will be writing in heading?
See, I have written in the chat box, tools used by ancient people.
Ma'am, what is this on the screen?
These are different tools. Be quiet while I'm talking. These are different tools that were used by the people in the ancient times. How they used to lead their lives? By hunting. How did they gather food? By hunting animals around them. So these were different kinds of tools that were used by them to hunt animals. And if they used to build anything to live, any shelter to for themselves, if they had to build, they used these kind of things for modifications, for construction.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell what was somebody asking. Yes. Now ask, Peter.
Ma'am, I have sent in chat box.
Yes, you have to write in your fair copy only. After the difficult words work, you have to do this work.
Yes.
Yes, beta, your fair copy. In your SST fair copy, you have to do this work. I'm going to correct everyone's copy.
मम्मी क्लास नहीं कर रहे हो? क्लास कर रहे हो? ये ड्राइंग की क्लास चल रही है क्या?
SST में कुछ डायग्राम नहीं।
Beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, beta. You've done. Just color this picture very nicely. Label it very nicely, properly. Okay, make a boundary and then share the picture in the class group. Arush, beta, you have shared the picture. That's nice, but you have to color it. And what heading have you given? Tools, draw. What heading is this, beta? I told you I wrote the heading in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't just try to finish off the work like this. Do it very nicely and it should be correct also. Tools used by ancient people. This is the heading that you have to write. And color it very nicely. Outline it with a dark pen. And then share the work. Make it look good. It should be presentable. It should be nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please see how I made.
I can't see anything from here, but it
Ma'am,
looks nice. Whatever I can see is looking very nice. Now color it, outline it, then it will be more visible. And you have to send it
Ma'am,
on the
what-
class group, okay? Not here. Don't show it to me here.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Yes?
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Tools used by ancient people. Check your chat box. I have written the heading over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done and send.
Okay, very nice, beta. Now sit and relax till others are doing their work.
Ma'am, any color we have to do.
Yes, you can use any color. But make sure that your colors go with these tools. Like don't make them pink because pink color tools would never be available. Give it a little steel look, wooden look, or something like that.
Ma'am, is
Okay, you
sky
can
blue.
use black color, brown color, yellow color, orange color.
Ma'am, is sky blue.
बेटा स्काई ब्लू कलर का कौन सा टूल होगा जस्ट इमेजिन एंशियंट
Ma'am,
पीपल क्या यूज करते होंगे टूल्स बनाने के लिए वुड यूज करते होंगे आयरन यूज करते होंगे सो इज इट अवेलेबल इन लाइट ब्लू कलर टेल मी डू यू थिंक
orange. Ma'am, orange
yes
color.
orange can be used brown black yellow these colors can be used
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, it is not visible here. Show it on the class group. Send the picture if you have completed it. Don't send incomplete picture. Yes, it's looking good. Now, if it is complete, send it on the class group.
I am.
Children, now try to finish it soon. Only 4 minutes are left for this class to get over. In the next class,
Ma'am,
we are
please.
going, yes, in the next class, we are going to draw something else.
Ma'am,
So you've
please
got
see my.
I will see, beta, I will see. So you've got 4 minutes to finish your work. Okay, try to finish it. Hurry up. And be ready to draw something else in the next class.
Ma'am, please see me. Faster my.
All right, I'm checking the class group. Wait. Arush, very good. Devansh Verma, very nice. Wonderful. Tools used by ancient people. Stuti Khandelwal. Okay. Now, Stuti Khandelwal, do one thing. Do you have a black pen? Please outline all these tools with a black pen. All of you.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
I
good.
have.
Very good. Outline these tools. And then
Ma'am,
see
please
how
see.
beautiful your drawing would look. Yes, very nice. Okay, all of you just outline it and see the difference. Mute yourself, everyone. And Devansh Verma, tools used by ancient people. Erase that S that you have put in ancient. It's not
Okay, ma'am.
ancient. Okay, it's ancient.
Quickly करो drawing. मैथ का वो सारा कर दिया और कंप्लीट कर लिया जिसको जिसको आपने टिक लगा ओके मैम मैम मुझे तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ जिनमें जीरो डाउन शायद 100 हो जाता है फिर भी बस 0 क्यों लिखा है 800 लिखा है 800 है तो 800 इसे हटाओ
ब्लैक कलर नहीं है.
TW2 क्यों नहीं लिखा TW2 ऐसे तो
Arav Solanki, mute yourself.
ओके मैम
Shirsh, beta, have you drawn?
Ma'am, I'm complete the drawing. Yes, ma'am. But I have not draw.
Send the work, beta. Show it to me what you.
Ma'am, I don't complete it.
Then why are you sitting idle? Why can't I see you doing the work?
No, I'm doing.
Okay, do it. Now you have to join the same link. I've sent the link. You've got again. You've got SST class. All of you know it. The next period is SST again.
Ma'am, please see my.
Okay, Kartik Kumar, very nice. Good work, beta.
Ma'am, please see. Ma'am.
Wait, beta, wait. Yes, very good. Very nice, Risha.
Ma'am, now see.
Very good, very nice. Wonderful work.
The class is over now.
Ma'am, I have Arab Solanki both words.
Yes, what have you done?
Ma'am, I have done drawing Arab Solanki.
Okay, wonderful.
Ma'am, I have also posted.